Hey guys, what's up? So I was asked here how many times ko daw to iniinom during the day. As for me, I usually drink it in the morning right after I work out. And then another drink would be in the afternoon. Para, alam mo yun, like, kasi syempre minsan pag afternoon, mawawala yung energy natin, di ba? So ako, iniinom ko siya so that, I feel energized again. And I think enough na yun to keep me energized sa busy day ko. And then may nagtanong pa sa akin kung ano daw yung benefits neto. Well, for me, apart from it being, a coffee that gives me energy and wakes me up, I would say, syempre, ang pinaka-benefits talaga nito is yung collagen and glutathione and L-carnitine. Because as we know, collagen, nagpapa-fresh, nagpapa-lift ng skin, di ba? So, at least ngayon, medyo matanda na ako, na-maintain pa rin yung, hopefully, freshness. And yung L-carnitine naman, it helps me with my diet, helps me with my workout, so medyo nakakaslim talaga siya, di ba? So, yeah, I would say I feel more confident now with Good Drip. Kaya, for those who haven't tried, guys, you have to try this. On top of that, ang sarap pa nito.